Okay, so satisfaction, I can expand it to satisfaction categories. I can expand it again to satisfaction levels. Okay, so here would be key result area indicator, which is presented as satisfaction success factors. It's written right, okay, except the key result area indicator. So satisfaction success factors of satisfaction process and organizational user satisfaction blueprint. User satisfaction shouldn't be here because we're talking about right now satisfaction in a broad perspective. Okay, then we're gonna expand again the satisfaction levels to satisfaction framework. And this satisfaction framework is if you take it from APEC.org, you're gonna find it that it contains 5 million employees. So it's a big process classification framework. It actually consists of 12, 13 cross-disciplinary, and then let's say sales and marketing is one division, finance is one division, you know. So the process classification framework milestone plan and activity resources plan will be denoted as F framework, framework 1, framework 2, and framework C, it has an X if it's sales and marketing and so this is the interdisciplinary, sorry, cross-reference, cross-disciplinary, but the Y is the interdisciplinary. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, so here is the day-to-day operations. So this is how you make up your website as satisfaction planning to understand the satisfaction measures, if it's the business or the product or the user. But then, after the user goes into the website and have his own footprint, as in clicks on the website, then you're going to take these clicks, each click presented as one, and all your other data information knowledge you have put in the website, the user did not click on will be 0. So now we're going to have a 0 and a 1. 0 means that I'm not satisfied too much. Okay, but the 1 meaning I'm satisfied, but with a plus or a minus. So I can be positively satisfied or negatively satisfied. Okay, now after the day-to-day planning, I would like to use the APEC process classification framework. If anyone else, you could use your own process classification framework if you have one. Okay, so I will gather the 0 and 1s. I put it in the satisfaction metrics of the process classification framework milestone plan activity resources plans. And then I'm gonna do some mathematical evaluation to put them in a higher category. Okay, so satisfaction measures, or let's say key result area satisfaction metrics, will give me key result area indicator satisfaction outcomes. With mathematical evaluation, it's going to be the performance indicator satisfaction. mathematical evaluation. I'm going to have key performance indicator, satisfaction, strategic objectives. Okay, but then I will have all my semantics to determine satisfaction measures. Okay, you're going to have to read it in the right form. I hope we're going to see at the, let's see, yeah, this is right. Key result area indicator, performance indicator, key performance indicator. Okay, we're going to go, come back to this. Oh, yeah. Okay, I want to see user satisfaction strategic. Okay, let's see this one. Yeah, this one is right. Okay, so user satisfaction planning. Let's go back so you can know. So I started here, performance evaluation methodology, strategic satisfaction, strategic alignment, and integrity development. This one for the whole satisfaction, but this one is just for the user satisfaction. So they are basically the same. This is the generic form. This is more a specific perspective of the user. Okay, so we're gonna you should always look at this one too, or you have to be aware that the other one has these two not right. Okay, let's see here. User satisfaction, strategic alignment, and integrity development. User satisfaction, user satisfaction, and strategic alignment, integrity development. I put a lot of time naming and giving initials, so please do not change. Anyhow, so the user satisfaction planning, which is this is user satisfaction planning as the whole of this is going to be the user satisfaction. So it has two lifetimes. Okay, user satisfaction planning is a lifetime understanding user satisfaction measures. So I have the user satisfaction A, so I'm a user satisfaction, there's another user, so now it's very dynamic. Okay, so users understanding user satisfaction measures, key performance indicator, user satisfaction purpose and scope, represents the user satisfaction purpose and scope. We expand it to performance indicator, which represents the user satisfaction success factors, user satisfaction component and targets. So this is component. Key result area indicator to deliver user satisfaction. See here, satisfaction success factors, or to deliver performance. Here we're going to be user satisfaction process and organizational user satisfaction blueprint level. See, the APIC process classification framework, it's a very big life cycle. It contains the business, the product, and the user. So it's perfect. Okay. So I have the three lifetimes in one big life cycle. That's why I was very happy to find it. Okay, so key result area indicator to deliver user satisfaction. So I think, yeah, look at this one, don't look at the other. The other is totally messy. Of course, in the paper, it's going to be really written well. Yeah. And the PhD, of course. Key result area activity deliverables. Process satisfaction framework, milestone plan, activity resources plans, denoted as framework 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is framework 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the cross-disciplinary, and this is the interdisciplinary. So here is the APIC framework. Then click or footprint clicks, which represent when you logged into the website until you ended the session, with a process in between them, or linking a process of time, process of inference, okay? So after this, I will take the zeros and one in the user satisfaction metrics, mathematical evaluation. I'll get my user satisfaction performance, another evaluation, user satisfaction outcomes, another evaluation, user satisfaction strategic objectives. And from all these outputs, I can determine the user satisfaction measures. And I can calculate the user satisfaction result of comfort, security, any quantitative or qualitative variable and requirements that you have put in your website presentation as user satisfaction planning. Okay, so something like a smell, you cannot put it on a website. Therefore, you cannot get a user satisfaction result about the smell of the perfume or whatever. Even in comfort, you cannot put a valuable requirement which is a good smell, okay? Because you cannot represent it, so you cannot have an evaluation about its results. Okay. Don't remember that you can talk. This is like this. This is interdisciplinary. This is interdisciplinary. But if you take the, we said it starts with the user satisfaction, the business satisfaction. Let's make the business satisfaction here. And then the product satisfaction, and then the user satisfaction. So this is the business, this is the product, this is the user. Each of them have this magnificent pyramid. I'm from Egypt, of course. So anyhow, but then as I have shown you in the page, that I could have three triangles. Okay, so I can connect between their life cycle by interdisciplinary, cross-disciplinary evaluation. This is the cross-disciplinary between the user, the product, and the business. So I can go cross-disciplinary between the KPIs, between the user satisfaction, the product satisfaction, the business satisfaction. Or I can go interdisciplinary in the lifetime of the user. So basically, I just connected between independent and ambiguous and linear progression. Okay? Okay. This is a big deal, but it doesn't show because it's really simple. I mean, the additional index is, it looks simple, but it didn't work